Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So, it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Mandalorian Season 1, Episode 6. Today I'm gonna watch normally the end of this Season 1, the episodes 6, 7 and 8. I'm excited about it, to discover the end of this season. I'm expecting, to have big events, to have reveals also maybe about Mando's face or Mando's name or Baby Yoda's real name. Because yes, I know that this is not Baby Yoda. I'm saying that because that's it. During this week on YouTube you had the first reaction video about The Mandalorian. Thank you to those of you who enjoyed the news, to know that I was gonna binge watch this show. I'm glad that you're glad, and thank you also because you were respectful, in the comments. I was worried about hardcore fans who wouldn't enjoy, my reaction videos because of the fact that I said it during the intro of these episodes. I'm saying these episodes because I warned you during the intro of, I think, the 4 first episodes about the fact that I'm not an hardcore fan. I don't know every lines, every characters, every situations. Like, I watched all of the movies, but I didn't watch the TV show, that you had also the Clone Wars, I think that it was. I didn't watch it, and some of you, before even having my first reaction video about The Mandalorian, were already telling me that it was wrong for me for not watching it, and that of course I was not a fan, I couldn't be a real fan, and I was just using the show like that, like for having views or something like that. Really guys, if you are saying that, you are not following my channel, you don't know how I'm proceeding, and the fact that you guys voted for this show on my Patreon when I asked you between 3 other shows which one I could try, and I wanted to try this one because I think that the franchise, of Star Wars is so rich, and they are really writing each thing right, and I really love how they are producing, how they are making each scene. That's really a rich universe with so many things into it. I already told a lot about it during the intro of the last episode, the fact that I'm watching the show because I appreciate this universe and how they are creating it, all of the different cultures and all of the different places and everything. This is so rich, this is so well done, everything is connected, and I love that. I really appreciate that. And yes, I'm not a hardcore fan. If you want a hardcore fan, go somewhere else, maybe it would be better. Oh, also, fair warning, I'm really excited about the fact that finally the sun is back. 2 weeks that I didn't see the sun in this apartment. 2 weeks that it's raining a lot, and because of that I have a water issue in my bedroom, and I had issues with that with my agency, the one who is dealing with this apartment that I'm renting. I had issues with them, and I spent an entire intro of Avatar The Last Airbender Season 1 Episode 9, I think. I'm saying that to me, me who is editing this video. If you want to put the link for the ones who want to know maybe that story and the issues that I had, and me talking during entire minutes about the fact that I was so mad and that I needed to tell to someone that I was so mad, so I was telling it to you, and the fact that even if I was so mad, I didn't call these persons and I just sent a mail, not to tell that I was angry, but to tell that I was not happy. That's my personality, I'm not telling to people that I'm mad, I'm telling that I'm not happy. It's not raining anymore, so normally that's not gonna go worst, what is happening right now on my bedroom, and normally someone is gonna come to repair that at the beginning of next week. I'm keeping my calm, you know. I'm doing the same, you know, with trolls on my videos. Same ones who are accusing me of stuff, you know, even before watching the videos. I'm like, you know, I don't want to take time and energy to respond to you, to give you that credit, to... You want to argue? You want to have that fight with someone? Go somewhere else. I'm not interested by having virtual fight and all. I'm interested by debates, you know, and that's why if you don't agree with something that I'm saying with one of my theory or one of my reaction, you can always tell me that on the comments. If you are polite and respectful, you can totally tell me things like that. And maybe I'm not gonna respond to you, but maybe also I can think about it and we can think about it together, we can talk about it. Like, I'm not someone who is believing into something and who is never changing, you know, our mind about that thing. No, I love to have debate. I love to think about stuff, and sometimes, yes, I'm changing my mind about stuff. It was for which show that I changed my mind about something? I think that it was for Battlestar Galactica. You know, at first I had really big issues to consider the silence as something else than robots, you know, that maybe they can have feelings, that maybe they can do stuff like that and that. I had really big issues with that with the first episodes, and little by little with the episodes, with talking to you on the comments, with reading your comments about how this silence were functioning and all of that, I evolved, you know, I changed my mind about it. So if you want a proof of that, go watch my reaction videos about the entire binge watching of Battlestar Galactica that I made. See, that's the proof that I'm not making these reaction videos for having viewers and stuff like that. Like, I love to have viewers and to talk with you guys for sure, but I'm not choosing my shows, the shows that I'm reacting to because of that, but because of the fact that I want to try something and I think that my reactions and my thoughts can be interesting about it. And Battlestar Galactica, a show which is out since a long time, it's a show which is already finished since a long time, and not a lot of persons who are watching my reaction videos, and I even had issues with the reaction part of these videos that I was forced to upload somewhere else. So, you know, I had a lot of issues with these videos, but I didn't care, and still I reacted to the entire seasons and even to the movies because I don't care. I'm making these reaction videos because I want to make them, because I'm interested by a show and all. Did I just spend 8 minutes to justify myself? Okay, about the show. For these 3 episodes, I hope that we're gonna have, yes, big events, big stuff happening, you know, action moments and all. I think that we're gonna have that because we have that during each episode. I'm saying it a lot. That show is built in a way which is a little disturbing me because of the fact that we are used now to have shows which are writing narrative arcs for several episodes, you know, not one episode at a time, not one story for one episode, some characters only for this episode, and then that's it, story and characters are finished, we are moving on. We are not used to that anymore, and this show, The Mandalorian, for now, for these 5 episodes that I watched, they are doing that. None of the characters that we met are still with us, if it's not Baby Yoda and Mando. None of them are still there. I'm not sure that we're gonna see any of them anymore. And all of the stories, you know, the adventures that we lived, they are over. I mean, for the big information about the situation right now, it's still the same than it was at episode 3. I think, like, Baby Yoda and Mando are, you know, on a run. They are escaping from people who want to take Baby Yoda, and we don't know why, but they want Baby Yoda, and Mando is helping Baby Yoda. That's it, you know, that's the situation since episode 1, 2 and 3. So that's great, but for these last episodes of the season, I want more. I want to have informations, to have reveals. Like I said, Mando's face or the story, you know, around Baby Yoda, why they want him so much. Baby Yoda's real name or Mando's real name. Mando's backstory also fully maybe, because we had some flashbacks about it, but we don't know this story fully. I want things. For now, I really like to follow them, and that was also disturbing for me and a real surprise that I managed to connect with them even if we can't see Mando's face. He's not talking a lot, he's clearly not talking about his feelings and his thoughts, so I connected with him just by how he's reacting, not how he's feeling, not how he looks like and his emotions that we can see on his face and all, not at all. And his emotions, we can read his emotions by the fact that he's looking at something silently, you know, and it's just like, no, not even him, like the helmet, we are seeing one helmet moving like that, not moving anymore, and we are interpreting an emotion with that. That's weird when you think about it, that's weird, but I love that, and like I said, it worked on me. I connected with Mando, even if for now it's just an helmet, you know. I don't know, you know, I don't know his face and I don't know who is playing him. Please be careful on the comments with that. I have the impression that it was maybe not a secret, but for me it is. Searching for any information, I'm not watching anything and all until, you know, I will finish the binge watching of this show. I want his identity to be a surprise for me, because for the show, for the story, it's a big thing, you know, it's a big surprise, it's something that we are expecting, we are waiting for. I don't know. I don't know if you guys, when you discovered the show, you know, when it was out this season, did you know before who he was? I think that you did, just because of the announce of the casting and all for the show, yes, you knew. Me, I don't know. And you know, even during the credits, I'm not watching the credits. It's really like, I don't know how to compare that. We have a French singer in France that no one saw without his glasses. And there is an expression, you know, in France, maybe not so popular, but still, like, I don't want to know that thing. It would be like seeing that singer without his glasses. It would ruin the stuff, you know, it would ruin the mystery and also the guy, the identity, you know, the thing around that. And for Mando, I want to see his face at some point, really. But I don't want to know before. Do you understand what I mean? I want really it to be a surprise. So for now, I don't know. Please be respectful with that. And if you are seeing someone who is not respectful with that before me, go tell me that on Twitter. I'm more on Twitter than on the YouTube comments, even if I'm a lot on the YouTube comments. But I'm going first to Twitter and then to YouTube. So go tell me that on Twitter. I have notifications on Twitter, you know, that I don't have on YouTube because you're too much now. So YouTube is not sending me notifications anymore. Go on Twitter to... Oh! I have an oh. Sorry. I didn't see that. Oh fuck. Oh fuck! Okay. I'm gonna keep that socks for these videos, but if you are seeing one oh, don't turn that. I just warned you. Go tell me on Twitter if you are seeing one spoiler in the comments. Thank you for that in advance. And no, I don't want to have someone moderating the comments because I'm always saying it. Reading your comments, responding to them myself, that's half of the fun of this channel. That's something that I want to continue to do, to read all of your comments, to give you likes, you know, to respond to most of you. I want to continue to do that. Okay, that's a long intro. That's a terrible intro. And I talked about my socks. Maybe I'm gonna change them after this episode. Let's go for this episode 6. I need to talk less if I want to watch 3 episodes today. Ah!
To be honest, I was a little surprised when you reached out to me.
You did?
5-person job, I got 4.
We're gonna have people on the ship with us?
Hey, Mayfield. Yeah. Asked him that one time. Do you remember what you said, man? Target practice.
Nah.
You did some crazy stuff.
You're bad guys. Clearly the music is telling us.
Former Imperial sharpshooter.
That's not saying much.
I wasn't
Okay.
a stormtrooper, wise ass.
You need to talk better with your mouth. Do we want that kind of man around the kid? You seem like a nice person.
Droid's name is Zero.
Tell me why I shouldn't cut you down where you stand.
One of your friends?
Nice to see you too.
I missed you.
I'm not afraid of them, but they seem crazy. Too crazy to be around a kid as cute as Baby Yoda.
We got a limited window to board, find our friend, get him out of there before they make their jump.
That's a New Republic prison ship.
So what?
You're gonna help him to
Job,
escape?
job.
The good news to you is the ship is not like droids.
And you don't like droids. You're not gonna come back with all of your crew. I don't know why I have this feeling. Some that you're gonna kill, some that are gonna be killed.
Someone tell me why we even need a Mandalorian.
Well, apparently they're the greatest warriors in the galaxy.
Why are they all dead?
Not all of them. They're ID.
Ask him about the job on Alzok 3. You liked it. See, I know who you really are.
You killed a lot of persons.
You ever seen his face?
A lady.
Oh,
The answer is no.
let's all see your eyes.
No, not like that. I want to see his face, but not like that.
Whoa, what is that?
No, no, no!
Wait a minute. Did you two make that? What is that, like a pet or something?
Oh, respect him.
Baby. I'll try it again, slow fella. Huh?
Dropping out to hyperspace.
Okay, let's talk about something else.
Coupling confirmed. We are down.
You're good droid and pilot.
The Razor Crest is scrambling our signature, and I'm inside the prison system.
It's me.
Always you.
I have some issues, you know, some anxiety issues with closed space.
Is that true, Amanda? Theo was paranoid?
Calm down, you. Don't make noise. Who is the person that we need to take with us? Someone that we know?
The little mousey.
Who can warn the other one? Don't. Stupid red face. Two. Okay. Mando. One against 4 men. Do you have some questions now? About how it can be useful or not? That's a Mandalorian. This is the way. Shut up with your questions. Excuse me?
We're only supposed to be droids on this ship.
Yes, why someone?
Put that down. Come on.
Easy.
Put it down.
They are not trusting droids enough to keep something or someone.
Presses that thing, we're all done. A New Republic attack team will hone in on that signal and blow us all to hell.
Yet here we are.
Are you questioning my managerial styles, Xion?
Is it really a good time?
Look. Hey, put it down.
Are you crazy?
We're not here for you. We're here for a prisoner. If you let us go about our job, you can walk away with your life.
No, we won't.
We're not killing anybody, you understand?
Get that blaster on your face, man.
No. Someone else is gonna kill you. thinking about Manfield, not the guy.
Something like before.
Was it?
I detected a New Republic distress signal homing in on your location.
You searched
You have
for it.
approximately 20 minutes.
I appreciate the style. Who are you?
The man who left me behind is now my savior.
No, you can't do that. It's your brother. It's better this way. Like, this is the way. I'm the only one who can joke about that, okay? No, they have your shit, they have Baby Yoda, and now they're gonna have the right message. Okay. How is it helping to get out? You have a gun? You have an arm.
He has escaped.
This is the way! I love this style. Can you block them right here? But New Republic is still coming, right? Oh.
Curious.
Cute.
We need a paw.
You're gonna get me the hell off this ship.
What about your sister?
I was gonna say that, you don't care about your sister?
What about her?
Nice family.
No. You're playing well. Aish. Fuck. He doesn't care. Okay. Mando. Ooh. Oh fuck! You know it. Bye bye. Oh, it's almost, you know, stroboscopic.
Got what they deserved.
This music, that's Mando's music.
You kill me. You don't get your money. Isn't that a code? I'll shoot him out of honor.
Is you're not. You have to hurry, Mando. What? He was surprised, you know, like, what did I just do? You didn't do it, Mando did it. Yes, still there to protect you. I said it, that at least one of you was gonna die.
Who are the others?
No questions asked. That's the policy, right?
Yeah. That is the policy.
Where is the money? Ran didn't, but Queen is so the king. And it still wants his revenge, no?
Kill him.
What? They're gonna explode Yoshi. That clever Mandalorian. Oh, I'm sorry, I had. Oh, I missed you guys. Gunship is out. Mando out. He's a kid. Boy. Oh. You're not dead? Oh. I'm desperate. We are not making any friends or allies like I want. We are making us more enemies in each episode. I mean, yes, we are making some friends, but punctual friends that we are not gonna keep and who are staying on their planet, you know? When our enemies, they are traveling all around space. That was a wonderful episode. I really loved it. Like I said during it, I have an anxiety issue, you know, with closed space. So for me, that kind of shows or movies, that kind of episodes of shows and movies which are based on the closed space, like you can't escape, like everything is happening just around one space and you know, like that. Do you understand what I mean? Things like that, shows like that, movies like that, they are making me really anxious, but at the same time I love that kind of shows and movies because it's making me like that. So I appreciated it, you know, this episode because of that, also because of all of these characters which were interesting because they all had their personalities, their stories, and they all had issues, stuff to discuss about, you know, a little and all. So that was interesting, even if they were all crazy and mad. And minute one that we met them, I knew that I didn't want Mando to be friend with one of them. Or maybe the droid, you know, Zero, because he was a really good pilot. So I was like, maybe we can use him, you know, we can have him with us. That could be interesting. But no, we are not keeping in neither. Berg and the girl Xian are still alive. We already had, you know, the mercenary during the last episode who can have informations about Mando and Baby Yoda, and now we have these two. Okay, they are in jail for now, but you know, I'm afraid of the fact that they keep showing us at the end of the episode, at the final end of the episode, see, they are still alive, they are right there, these enemies. They did that also during the last episode, like, see, we still have them to worry about. I'm taking that image, you know, that last image, like a message like that for the viewers. Not like, okay, we are telling you what happened to these people. We are giving you the what's next for them. It's not like that. For the mercenary at the end of the last episode, not a what's next, because of the fact that we didn't see who take her, we didn't see what happened to her after that. So no, it was just a teaser, you know, it was just to tease us about, you thought that we were over with her? Not at all. And for me, it's the same right there. I don't like that. I want allies, I want friends. And not new enemies. We already have all of the galaxy searching for that kid. Why do they want him? Just 2 more episodes to finish the season. I want informations, reveals during these 2 final episodes. Even if we are not seeing Mando's face, even if we don't know the real names of Mando and Baby Yoda, I want at least to understand why they are searching for that kid so much. For me, because of the fact that in the franchise they are connecting each story with everything, for sure Baby Yoda is coming from Yoda's people, but he has to be connected also with Yoda. I don't know how, but he has to be connected to Yoda. But when we are, you know, into the chronology, the fact that the Empire is gone, so Yoda is gone. A brother? I have trouble to imagine a son, maybe a brother, someone of his family. Why are they searching for him so much? Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now because I want to have the time to watch 2 more episodes, the 2 last ones of this season 1. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Hey.